vixen.
Welcome to our channel. In this channel, we will upload historical places of the world, most months of the world, ancient civilizations, and other historical untouched things. So follow us. Let us together. Is History is more than just dates and events. It is the history of humanity. Our struggle, our struggles, achievements, and the evolution from ancient civilizations to modern societies. History helps to understand who are and where are you going. So history helps to examine about past events and to forecast future events. What is history? History is the study of past events, especially human activities. It includes politics, culture, wars, innovations, and everyday life. Historians gather information from sources of writings, artifacts, and oral traditions. For example, ancient Egyptian pyramids are ancient histories. These tell us about engineering and beliefs, while old manuscripts reveal knowledge and traditions. Types of historical sources. When we see types of historical sources, there are two main types of historical sources. Primary sources. Primary sources are original materials. As you see, these are original materials that have direct relation to the object. Original materials like letters, artifacts, photographs. These are examples of primary source as you see in the picture. And the other source that helps to the study of history is secondary source. Examples of secondary sources are books, books and articles written later about events. By combination of this primary and secondary source, we have to study well-organized history. These sources help historians to piece together and the puzzle like to the puzzle. Why history matters? History is important because it teaches us lessons. It helps to understand mistakes, to avoid mistakes of the past, to never repeat mistakes of the past, and appreciate events. For example, studying past wars teaches us the value of peace, while learning about innovations inspires innovation. This we Due to this we can get positive mistakes of the past. History also shapes identity. Countries, cultures, and traditions are built on historical experience. Major periods of history. History is divided into major periods. Prehistory. Prehistory before writing records, before the beginning of technique of writing. This we call it history. Ancient history. Early civilizations like Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization. Medieval history. Castles, kingdoms, and the empires. During medieval period, these castles and kingdom empires were emerged. Modern history. Modern history indicates from 1715 AD to the present. This is the period of Industrial Revolution to present day. Each period shows how humans evolved socially, politically, and technologically. Human beings advanced from time to time. When we come to key elements that shaped history, some events changed the world forever. The rise and the fall of empires, scientific discoveries, revolutions and independence movements, world wars. These events reshaped societies and influenced the modern world. Due to wars, due to civilizations, due to different events, they shaped the life of human being. When we summarize history, history is not just about the past. It is a guide for future. By understanding history, we gain knowledge, wisdom, and perspective. So, the next time you will hear historical study, remember, it is the piece of a puzzle that makes up our world today. Dear family, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.